I'm sorry.
Walking.
It's never going to get better.
It is never going to get better. You're right, never.
This Texans what? Their defense?
Texans are Super Bowl contenders, yes.
It's never going to get
we
better.
We didn't do horrible.
Yes, you did.
Our defense was good.
Yeah, great. Defense is always defense. It's always good. When has the Bears' defense not been good?
It's always been good.
It's always good, man. It's your identity. If you guys could just, I don't know.
Get it together.
Figure it out. What was it, 13 points?
13. First offensive touchdown now.
Yay. Nice. When the camera's not on, I do the hair whip too. Ready, friend? Good. On your back head right here. What happened to your foot?
She pulled
Did you get a Packers fan? What?
She pulled a tendon in gymnastics.
Oh.
So like she just had to have it to rest it. It's at the bottom like of her foot, like upper ankle.
We went to another chiropractic.
That's what happens. Like.
We cheated on you.
Yeah.
Don't touch my piggies.
Don't touch my piggies. Don't touch my piggies. Ready? Good one. Good.
Oh, I hear.
Perfect.
That was a good one.
It's. Hey, you're catching up to Dr. D. You haven't seen him in a minute.
Oh yeah, you'll beat me, I think. How old are you now?
14.
14? Yeah, you got a chance. You got a chance. I mean, the worst part is when you get, like, you start growing fast and then you just plateau and then it's stuck.
Yeah.
That was me. It wasn't me, that was totally sis.
It's
Totally sis. You know that.
Ooh. Oh, that was a good one.
Big one.
Oh.
Yeah, you grow a lot. The little man's not as aggressive anymore.
No, it is starting
he's still there.
finally.
Yeah.
It depends on his mood.
My son's a Sour Patch Kid. He's mean and sweet at the same time.
Okay.
He's like, I will fight you and stab you with a knife.
And
And then he'd be like, give me a hug, Dad.
See,
That's you. Yeah.
he's like that with me, but everybody else, he's maybe not so much with.
Good. A little bit here. Good. Big one.
That was a good one.
Fantastico.
You need that.
All right, Mama.
Oh, you do stink.
Who stinks?
Really, guys.
Brayden.
Oh, rude. You guys are on camera.
School.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
You want a lot?
Yes.
Let's do it. Too much work?
Yep.
Good. It's like all internal movement. Just
Yep.
ready?
Yep.
Good. Easy. Good. Good.
Oh, I needed that.
Okay, let's get that side.
Which one, right or left?
Which one would you prefer? I was going for the. I'm
Both?
wrong hand. No, I was going
Both?
sacrum on this side. I hate when it's like in my head, but then I have to turn around because I'm like, I'm on the wrong one. My head's going faster than my body. This one.
That one.
Yeah. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
This was rough last time.
Yep.
Ready?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.